Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your project and pick the track you want to affect. Don't stall. Immediately decide. Insert reverb on the channel for total ambience or create an aux bus for parallel control. Once chosen, load Space Designer or Chroma Verb, turn the plugin on. Next, set the initial wet value low, about 20% for inserts, or send roughly 10 to 25% to an aux. As you do this, make sure the plugin's pre-delay is around 1030 ms to keep clarity between dry signal and reverb. Now shape the reverb so it serves the mix. First, tweak pre-delay to create space. A short pre-delay keeps intimacy, longer pre-delay preserves attack. Then set decay time, 1 to 2 seconds for most vocals, longer for ambient pads. Once decay feels right, adjust early reflections and diffusion to control perceived room size. Make sure to open the plugin's internal EQ and cut mud under about 200 Hz and gentle high roll-off above 8 to 10 kHz. Finish by automating wet or send levels to suit arrangement. Bring reverb up on breaks, pull it back in busy passages. If you need tightness, route reverb to its own aux, add a compressor with sidechain keyed to the dry track, and set gentle ducking so the vocal stays forward. Once done, listen in context and compare a /B. If things go wrong and the mix becomes muddy, apply a high pass on the reverb bus around 200 to 500 Hz to instantly restore clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.